Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for my Walgreens haul video. My store have a lot of clearance going on right now and I was able to grab some. Just check around, hopefully you can find some as well if your store is tagged. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. Thank you for joining us and I hope you subscribe, like, comment and share this video and let's go grab some deals. I wanted to try out to see if I can get a pepper booster, so I picked up this Barbasol shaving cream on clearance for 30 cents and luckily enough it printed out a $7 Walgreen cashback when I spent 40 and I'll be using it in my transactions. The first deal I picked up is when you buy 2 or more participating Gillette products, you get $8 register reward back and they're on sale for buy one get one half off. And these Venus razors are included in this deal and they're also the cheapest at my store, priced at $12.49. The second one is going to be $6.24. Both items are going to total $18.73. Check your app because we have a $3 coupon and with this coupon it's going to drop it down to $15.73. I'll pay that and get $8 register reward back, making both products $7.74 or $3.87 each. The next deal I'm picking up will be on Dove body wash. They're on sale for $7 and when you buy 2 you get $2 register reward back. Picking up 2 will total $14. We have a 7 off 2 in our app that will drop it down to 7 and I'll get $2 register reward back, making both items $5 or $2.50 each. The last deal I'll add to get to 40 with the spend booster will be on the Scope mouthwash. They're on sale for $5 and they are part of the buy 3 you get $5 register reward back. I'll pick up 3 and it will total $15. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to 10. I will pay 10 and get $5 register reward back and that will make these 3 bottles just $5 or $1.67 each. I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video that there is another promotion going on. When you spend 15, you get $5 register reward on select P&G products and the Venus razor and the Scope mouthwash is included in the deal. The total for these 3 deals you're looking at right now is $47.73. That means I'm able to use the spend 40 get $7 Walgreen cash. This transaction went great and now let's look at my receipt and see how everything worked out. You can see all the items I picked up and all my coupons are applied. I ended up using $14 in register reward, paid $18.73 plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $8 for the Venus razor and a $2 back for buying 2 of the Dove body wash and a $5 for buying 3 of the Scope mouthwash. And I received another $5 register reward for the spend 15 get $5 register reward back on P&G products and I got back my $7 Walgreen cash for the spend booster. After all my rewards back, this transaction ended up costing me just $5.73 or 82 cents each. These are all the clearance items I picked up at the store and the Nivea men are part of the buy 2 you get $5 Walgreen cash back. I picked up 2 Nivea men face wash on clearance for 78 cents and the face scrub beside it is on clearance for 78 cents as well. I know you need to buy 2 but these are on clearance so I don't mind picking up 3. Picking up 3 would total $2.34. I'll pay the $2.34 and get back $5 register reward back, making all 3 of them free and a $2.66 money maker. If you find the same items on clearance at your store and you don't want to pick up 3 and you decide to pick up just 2 of them are going to total $1.56. Pay that and get $5 Walgreen cash back, making both of them free and a $3.44 money maker. The next clearance item I found is the Dove Men Plus Care deodorant on clearance for 90 cents. And the next item I found is the Dove Women deodorant, originally priced at $8.79, but now it's on clearance for 88 cents. The next one is the Gillette Cool Wave, originally priced at $7.99, but now they have it at 80 cents. I picked up 2 of the Bush Beer soap, originally priced at $8.79, but now they're on clearance for 88 cents each. And I added 4 more of the Barbasol shaving cream at 30 cents each. This transaction went very well. I didn't use any coupon for any of these items. And the total for all these items before tax is $7.88. I redeemed $5 Walgreen cash, paid $3.49 out of pocket, and I got back $5 Walgreen cash for buying 2 of the Nivea products. That means this transaction ended up costing me just $3.49. And this concludes my video today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for all your support coming back every week to check out my videos, and I'll talk to you all next time.